All right, how you doing, guys? Just you know what I'm attempting to do a quick how-to video, how to install uh, a sprocket or a water faucet into your existing siding. Um, as you can see, I already have electrical done here. I had this installed when I first got the house done. Um, as you know, you can follow my video log doing home improvement. Decided to bring some water out on the side of the house. I was water sprocket on the other side of the house, in the back of the house, but now on this side of the house. It just makes it much easier when we're doing things over here on the patio, on the driveway, and washing the car. So before I end up sealing under the walls up inside the den area, I decided to come out here and add this here. Now I just didn't want to put this just sticking out of there. You know, it would have worked fine, but it wouldn't look too pleasing. So I decided to get a matching box that matches my electrical box. So I'm gonna have to do now. I'm have to do a cut pretty much right here, to put this finishing look on it, so it looks nice and professionally done. So that's what I'm attempting to do. So I'll put a link on the parts I'm using. All right. You have to get your another box. You definitely have to get one of these swipe sliders, they call them, the siding remover tool. What this does is going to help you get underneath the siding, the separating, which I already had done. Just to let you guys know that this is kind of tough. It's easy, but it doesn't come out easy, and it's not meant to come out easy. So, if you get underneath there, pull it down, and take your time, you can get separated. Just to let you know, it's going to take a couple of tries to get it done. All right. So I got this all separated. I got the bottom here pretty much separated, so I can slide that in. So what I'm gonna do now is just get my measurements and start to cut. All right. I got an estimate between the simple as this will be here about 50.5 inches for me. So on the opposite side, this was my water pipe that I'm gonna be dropping down and coming into this box. So let's get that going. All right, this is going to be a time lapse. If I see anything that I need to stop, then let you guys know. I'll stop and let you guys know, all right? All right, so let's continue on. All right, guys, as you can see right here, get my measurements using a leveler to level up with the existing box that's there. I'm double checking, triple checking, just to make sure I'm you know, leveled before I cut in. And as you can see, I got my plunge cutter ready, and just taking my time and just following the lines that I've already pre-marked. Once you do this the first time, it's going to be kind of short or kind of small. They're going to have to come back and recut it again, which I'm doing right now. So just take your time with it, and I'm pretty sure you guys it'll be able to work pretty well. As you can see, I got the cut done. I got it pretty much parallel to the existing box, as close as possible. Again, as you notice, I've used my air tool here with this type of bit to do a plunge cut. You can do this with a side, a simple side cutter, scissor type, but I found this is to be much easier. Just a word of caution, just make sure you guys are doing it nice and slow. And what I end up doing, I don't even know, I got a little nick, not too noticeable. I probably can sand that down a little bit so you won't see it, but just be careful using this so you get a nice plunge cut and it doesn't slip and cut damage any other thing. So that's the only thing I could give you a word of advice on. I'm kind of trying to do this one hand, guys, so forgive me for the jittery footage. So now I got it in, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna peel this back. I'm gonna get some screws, and I'm gonna screw this plate into the existing sheeting in the back to hold it in place, and that's it. And then button it up and put the cover on, and so there'll be my sprocket for my location where I'll put my my water hose. All right, so yeah, it's coming out. And again, Guys, you're gonna need the proper tools for this. You're definitely gonna need, let me show you again, you're gonna need one of these. I picked this up at Home Depot. Again, taking off the siding, it's easy, but it's kind of hard to get it started. So especially if it's good quality siding and it's very stiff, you're gonna just have to get underneath it, pull it down to get it separated. All right, because you need to get it separated, get it behind there. So you're definitely gonna need one of these without a doubt, and of course the other tools. So it's coming along. I'm gonna continue on with the time lapse and try to get this all cleaned up and buttoned up. All right, to get it ready for to drill my hole for my water pipe. All right, guys. Let me continue on. Any comments? Any questions? Please hit me off on the comment section. Please give a thumbs up to this video and please subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm just a retiree now, just doing a DIY. If I can do it myself, I will do myself. If I have an excuse to buy some extra tools, I will buy extra tools just to get the job done. All right, and I hope you appreciate it. All right, guys, let me continue on. Thanks. All right, guys, as I'm continuing on, putting a couple of screws in to hold the box in place. You don't need too many screws to hold it in, and don't tighten it down too tight, just enough to keep it snug. Also, I advise you just wear some gloves so you don't scuff your knuckles when you're trying to slide the J channel back in. And that's pretty much it. Also, that's all I have to have, guys. It's not that difficult. Take your time. As you can see, I'm re-trimming, just winding it up just a little bit more, so to account for some expansion. And that's it. So there you go. It's all done. It's all installed. All right. So that's how you do. Put an extra box or capping inside your molding. You take your time, cut it, separate it, do a plunge cut. And what I did too, if you didn't notice in the time lapse, once I got it in, it was kind of tight fitting. I cut a little more off. All right, because you need to let this siding expand. So when it expand and contract, it won't buckle up. So that's what I end up doing on the side once I got it in. Alright, so just take your time, do a little at a time to get it in there, and it should work out fine. And overall, it came out pretty good. Alright, yeah, and that's all to it. Alright, again, this is when I didn't plan it on having water over here, but after considering I had the opportunity to run some pipes before I close up the walls inside, I decided to put a water sprocket over here, a sprocket, or valve I should say, over here. So it's gonna work out for washing the car, doing whatever maintenance on the side of the driveway, having a water valve here instead of running long hoses from the other side of the house. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna also be posting and showing how I'm be installing a Tesla charger on this side. Also, I'm preparing this side for my Tesla eventually when I get one. All right, I'm just getting the foundation, electric for the help backing the car out, water to wash the car out, and over here I'm anticipating I'm probably gonna put the box. The Tesla box in this side right here, and I have a 25-foot cord, so I may be able to run the cord as far as I want into the driveway to charge up the Tesla once I eventually get one. Alright, so but please subscribe to the channel. I'll post on how I install it, and that's that. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you guys out there who's looking to do a similar project. Alright, give a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, and Happy New Year 2018 to you guys out there. Later.